If you want to save time, work smarter, learn faster, and get better results with artificial intelligence, HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus Artificial Intelligence Tips shows you exactly how to do it. Built on the powerful AI intelligence framework and packed with 365 plus actionable tips, this guide helps you understand AI, apply it in real-world situations, and turn it into a reliable tool for work, learning, and creativity. Instead of guessing, you follow a structured approach that works. You will learn how to write better prompts, automate repetitive tasks, improve productivity, generate high-quality content, and make smarter decisions with confidence. Whether you are just getting started or ready to level up, this book helps you become a more capable and intentional AI user who gets real results. Chapter 1. A. Awareness. Understand core AI concepts, recognize real-world applications, and identify practical ways to use artificial intelligence in your everyday life. Chapter 2. I. Integration. Apply AI into your routines, automate repetitive work, and build consistent habits that improve efficiency and reduce mental load. Chapter 3. I. Input. Craft clearer prompts, structure instructions effectively, and refine inputs to generate more accurate and useful outputs. Chapter 4. N. Navigation. Explore AI tools, understand key features, and confidently choose the right tools for each task. Chapter 5. T. Tasks. Complete work faster by automating processes, streamlining workflows, and improving output quality. Chapter 6. E. Efficiency. Increase speed, sharpen focus, and maintain consistent results with better prioritization. Chapter 7. L. Learning. Learn faster by breaking down complex topics and accelerating skill development with AI guidance. Chapter 8. L. Language. Improve writing, communication, and clarity by generating and refining structured content. Chapter 9. I. Ideas. Generate ideas, expand concepts, and solve problems with structured thinking. Chapter 10. G. Growth. Track progress, build habits, and adapt as AI tools continue to evolve. Chapter 11. E. Evaluation. Analyze outputs, verify accuracy, and refine results for better reliability. Chapter 12. N. Networks. Combine tools, build workflows, and integrate AI into larger systems. Chapter 13. C. Content. Create high-quality written and multimedia content tailored to your goals. Chapter 14. E. Ethics. Use AI responsibly by understanding limitations, protecting privacy, and making thoughtful decisions. What makes this guide different? 365 Plus. Concise, practical tips designed for immediate real-world use. The AI intelligence framework that turns complexity into a clear, step-by-step system. A balanced approach that combines productivity, creativity, learning, and responsible use. Actionable guidance focused on results instead of theory or overwhelm. Designed for everyday users who want to use AI effectively, not just understand it. Start today with HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus Artificial Intelligence Tips and turn artificial intelligence into a practical advantage you can use every day. As you apply these tips, you will save time, work more efficiently, think more clearly, and build skills that stay valuable as AI continues to evolve. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.